Anytime fresh tomatoes are in season, I love to utilize that great opportunity, because opportunity, they say, comes once. So in today's recipe, I'll be making use of only fresh tomatoes and bell peppers for this your delicious fish and cow skin stew. Guys, this stew is authentic, like authentic Egusi. Let's just get right into this video. So I'll be making use of cow skin. Okay, these are frozen cow skin, also known as Pomo. So I'll be cooking them with my pressure pot. So I seasoned with just salt, beef seasoning cubes. Okay, I'll be adding enough water to cook the meat. Cover it up and allow to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so while that is cooking, I went ahead and seasoned my fish with just salt, some thyme, some seasoning cubes, some curry powder, basil leaves, and I added enough water to cook the fish. Okay, cover and allow this to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. So this has been cooking for 7 minutes now, and it's ready. So I took them out from the cooker. Okay, so in a pot, I added my vegetable oil. I went ahead and added some salt, some thyme, some curry powder, and stirred it combined. Okay, so I went ahead and also added my diced onion. At this point, I will stir this and allow to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is after 3 minutes, guys. I added my cooked Pomo cow skin. Okay, just because I wanted a bit of texture, so I went ahead and added the cow skin. All right, so I'm going to stir this to combine. Okay, and allow to just fry for 10 minutes. Keep stirring so that it does not burn. Okay, yes. This has been frying for 10 minutes now. It's right time for the next step. Okay, so I'll be adding my blended tomatoes and bell peppers. Guys, I cook these tomatoes and bell peppers, to take out the excess water. Okay, this helps to hasten the cooking process. Okay, so I stirred this to combine. All right, we'll be frying this for about let's say between 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, yes, guys, in case if I forgot to mention my name is Uju, and you are highly welcome to Ujulinn Space. It feels good to have you here. Please click on that subscribe button to join this amazing family, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting. All right, so the stew has been frying for 10 minutes now. Guys, look at that stew. It looks so yummy already. Please note, you have to keep stirring your sauce or your stew so that it does not burn, because once it burns, you will not enjoy it at all. Okay, so guys, it's time for me to add my blended habanero peppers. Just add to taste. Okay, yes, I also added some grounded nutmeg. Because the stew is thick, I went ahead and added the fish and cow skin stock just to loosen it up a bit. Okay, it lacked some seasoning cubes and some salt. Yeah, so I added them and then stirred it combined. Stir properly to combine, guys. And then cover and allow this to cook for 5 more minutes. So after 5 minutes, I stirred it properly. Guys, look at that stew once again. Like, tell me, what will you be enjoying it with already? Yeah, so it's time for me to add my fish. Yes, of course, these are pre-cooked fish. So I went ahead and added the fish now, and a bit of onions, because I love some onions, guys. Just do you. Okay, so I added some more onions for more flavors, and then I'm going to stir this to combine. Cover and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes, guys. So look at that yummy goodness, guys. Look at that yummy goodness. So it's time for us to spice this stew up a little. Let's just spice it up. Let's take this stew to the next level, guys. Adding some diced curry leaves. These are curry leaves. These curry leaves here took this stew from 0 to 1,000, guys. Yes, you can substitute these leaves for parsley leaves or basil leaves. Just get the one that you can find in your area. Like this curry leaves is just the highlight of this food for me, like highlight of this stew for me. All right, so I stirred it gently, guys. You have to be very careful so that you don't break the fish or scatter the fish in the pot. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll just cover this up and voila, our stew is ready. Drop in the comment section what you'll be enjoying this stew with. I would like to know. For me, I enjoyed it with boiled rice and it was totally worth it. Thank you so much. If you've watched up until now, do not forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime I make an upload. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.